Make it for no loss, make it for no cost. I know say Jada na the latest song and everything, but everybody loves White Money for who White Money be. They always talk your mind. You know, ever since this Big Brother matter has done do, even the last one to go. Like this new Big Brother now, what do you think? What will be your own thinking about the Big Brother?
The only thing is for the new one, I know they really pay attention to them because I mean, if I was outside Nigeria, probably I go pay attention to them. But in Nigeria now, the least thing I want to talk about is Big Brother. Because our country, they're on the edge, they're on the thin line. We do survive by the grace of God.
You understand?
The least, the anything we want to talk about.
So what do you?
Okay. No, another thing when people they talk and say, this Big Brother is not tough like the White Money do their own. What did they really happen to you? I mean, you don't get that balls when Andrew says, okay.
Of course, now I won't be the hottest for the last one was the last hottest one, you understand? And because that was a good timing. It was a good timing.
Well, talking about timing, you still say the kind of attitude people they place towards this Big Brother titles now because of the timing where it come just before the election, so we say everybody they put eye for inside the level.
Most definitely, go well with the election period. Go well, but I mean, Big Brother always knows it, or maybe they had other plans. I'm better say no business for Naija. They do understand. But me, I know say Nigerians, like for instance, my compound only. Nobody they talk about that.
Your compound, you say no, they used to that level.
My compound, not be compound, but my neighborhood, not be the neighborhood.
So okay, now Jada na your latest song, and of course everybody they vibe to Ram and all those kind of level. I come to look and say, well, make it for no loss, make it for no cost. May no blind say so, but monkey or monkey should be my fly. Some people we don't come out from inside Big Brother Naija, they don't do music, and funnily enough, now only just one person, I believe, say they don't call them for maybe a finale or an eviction. This thing, maybe they can't sing. You don't ever perform for Big Brother stage since you start. You they release your songs.
You win,
since you win and come out for the house.
They've never called me.
Why
is it like that?
If they ask me, who I go ask, because I still the one that they never called me for it. Never.
Because I do look and say,
even me, I call the reason I say, sure, I do bad, I get what I do. Yes. They question myself, they question whether I get anything. I do, but I get to look and say maybe it's just standard protocols.
Because I think FA Money now, that time we never get FA Money to even come on the matter in and winner. Yes. The only person where I believe say don't perform, Leko don't perform.
Even this other girl when say, we know. I don't forget her name now.
One of those guys,
she don't perform. So one will expect that say, okay, because you said that the winner and you are out there doing music, one will expect okay, it's a time to showcase.
They never even come in for cooking show, self talking about music.
Say cooking show. You don't understand. I won't be lying because I just say you want to do that. But more than say your lifestyle. I mean, your lifestyle they very simple and at the same time they very complex. And like they always a trip for this your hairstyle. Like what be the normal? How often you they change your hairstyle?
Every week, bro.
I noticed.
Every week.
So everybody would expect say this week now.
I did very picky and very. How to call them OCD? They worry me. So
I said
OCD. I'm no OCD. So and if once I do my hair like this, what's the scratching I don't go. Lose them, restyle them. So and dada. So you don't they long they go side.
It's a dada into the matter.
Yeah, guys. They just.
So how long you don't keep your dada now?
No, after I come up Big Brother also.
Okay, but they watch you now. Why you start to do the level?
I play. The thing come there.
Come and dadarize.
Come and show. Okay, my liver. Me just a girl. But with time again, I go still come cut time.
Okay, now in between all this time, because I know say yes, you don't get your jollof rice. Matter what they do. What do you even call them again, sir?
White money party jollof.
White money party jollof.
Yeah.
And then they do every. For me, even this my dada self, I know how many hours they take. Even the lock and everything. Where you they get that chance, White Money, to actually hold biro, begin to write lyrics for song?
Yeah, these days around we don't do biro again. This is on a record. We record that for phone. Understand? Then we will come there for flights, or we will do that. We'll come perfect the lyrics. But honestly,
in between, when they get the time,
bro. Now like this, now any song where I drop from now to the end of this year, I don't record them down.
When you say record them down, not be say record them for your
phone.
No. You don't record
already
them for
recorded. All recorded. Immediately I came out of Big Brother, the first thing I did was I have a lot of features. I have major features. I have major collabos. I have song with Umu Bilibo. I have song with Bisakedia from Ghana, their biggest high life artist. I have song with Duncan Mighty. I have song with I don't forget. I have songs. So immediately I came out.
And all those ones they don't voice. You don't record that. You don't package them.
I keep them. So now I just release. I could release them with videos.
So when we say you get plenty songs like this, you don't have a reason now when we say make you day here right now.
Yeah.
So why when you come with a body?
So the body go come. You know that kind of do last year now. We now organize for me now.
Yes.
So during that period, they got that kind June, July. I'll not do a proper launch and everything. But my prayer to God be say before that time, me 2 or 3 don't peak. You know,
that is
because viral.
Some singles made on
this Jada has been the response on Jada has been really amazing.
No, Jada is a very nice song.
Even Egu has gotten a lot of good responses because Naija take top for essay for 1 month and I got good responses. I got paid in rands and dollars. It was really amazing. You understand? So, that's why I shot the video.
Now, that takes me back to the Big Brother and the White Money brand, based on saying that BB But when you enter inside South Africa, how the reception from people who actually they watch the Big Brother brand, when they do BB when they do the matter outside of Nigeria.
So 60% of my fan base are South Africans. South Africans, not just South Africa as a country, but South Africa. That means I'm talking about Botswana, all those guys, all of them. They all
so the reception was overwhelming.
So for them to be hosting me back to back in South Africa, it means say they know me. So they host me for different clubs and they also they pay. So when they say white money is coming to this club, the club is packed. They say white money is coming to this club, the club is packed. You know, I was getting they watched the show. Even if it took 1 year before I went there. I'm not going immediately after I win. If not that, if I even
all this is like genuine love, because my fear or sometimes what would they get about this South Africa matter and this xenophobic level, some of them say
so my gun shock you is not like that. You see the way we say people they fear to call Nigeria because of insecurity, like the same two people there. I was in Johannesburg, I was in Cape Town, I was in Soweto. It's not like that. It's just the way they come to Nigeria, they say be careful. They say you go there, say be careful.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
Well, I just don't say for Johannesburg, you know they wear expensive, bling, all those things.
No try.
No try. Obtain in broad daylight.
Our boys say they learn.
I said if they rob you for that place, you go be like say na friendly robbing. Yo, my man. They're not going to shout you. You don't see, you go, no, now. Understand? But we know that they rob you for environment where no make sense. Don't they rob you for environment where they clean? At least if they rob you, collect your shoe before I have a clean route. They go rob you for Nigeria. Collect this thing. You're top.
Well, back to the music, and I think I don't ask for, but ask again for clarity. I mean, Lekon, Big Brother winner, of course, they do well musically. Yusef, winner, and they do music. Any hope of, say, now get any form of collaboration?
Yes, about Big Brother All Stars.
Yes.
God,
I know.
Even if it's did that.
You know, if you had All Stars now.
It to be, if I want to answer that question honestly, no hope.
No. Why you they talk to no hope?
Because we know they did the same. We know they did the same environment. We know they did the same distance.
So what you try to tell us right now is say, once you have your own Big Brother set, they're not they mix freely with a set before or after the people who don't come for this different editions.
That, I will not lie to you, that is just the way it is basically. There's no hatred there. There's no hatred. It's only just hard. It's very hard now to see people that genuinely love you that came before you.
Okay.
You understand? It's just the way of life. It's just the way it is. You understand?
So they talk say beef, they inside the matter or
it's
jealousy.
Silent beef.
Silent beef or jealousy. No talk about
no hope.
No, see, no hope because I say one, we know they roll together. 2, we know they talk to each other like say we they talk like say guys. 3, maybe the other person never even believe say me I'm supposed to be musician. Or me say I never believe this person within the sing. So there's no this thing. There's no connection. So now when we go for the say
don't forget saying Jada, Jada. Now be the title of the track where White Money just released right now. Beautiful track, feel good track. Of course, if you hear them, you go know as it be. So White Money, I try to put to you where your fans get this Jada track.
Yo, Jada, Jada is available. It's there for every streaming platform. The video done there out. Go YouTube. Click on the link on my bio, whitemoney_ on Instagram, and go on TikTok. We'll give out like maybe some millions. Maybe
I suspect that, but I'm asking for your social media. You say what is whitemoney_, but that underscore now two.
Now two. Now double now. Whitemoney _ for Instagram. Then
you don't say you my man. Whitemoney_. That is 2 underscore.
Double underscore. Yeah. Go there, click the link, you understand? Then go on TikTok. It's White Money on TikTok. Join the challenge. Me and Debele just do one now. Join, use that sound. Create your perfect love story. From now to 14th, you get some people who want dash on money.
Oh, sorry, let me take you back a little bit. We just hear Debele.
Yeah, me and I just do a sound now. We just created a TikTok sound with it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Just for TikToking alone.
Yeah, we're likely to.
Are you serious? So people should go to
go on TikTok. It's White Money on TikTok. Go on Instagram. White Money _.
Okay.
You understand? Click the link there to watch the full video on
and
YouTube.
they will win millions inside.
Yes. So for the TikTok people, TikTok challenge now, you're gonna win money. Yeah, people who want give now serious money for the perfect love story. So if you use that sound, create the perfect love story.
They go act them.
They just know they're creative around them.
White Money, why they suspect you like Indian film?
The man
If you like the music, because time don't go, I won't just find people trouble. Election they come for front.
Yes. Ask him. Thank you.
You get candidate. Because now they like to hear vote wisely.
Yeah.
He's celebrities right now. They say, when they stand for fence. Well, I don't want to know your candidate, but I want to just know you there for fence, I you get candidate.
I there for fence. You know why I defense? They not give me my PVC till today.
Which one about you is supposed to don't forget them by now?
I said till today, even the woman don't even block me. I don't go secretariat protest, they don't give my PVC. And they see that they purposely hold PVC of some certain tribe.
Okay.
Because they know.
So they don't just give you your
They
own.
don't give me.
Wow. This
And
one
they
is hot.
see the numbers like 301, 302, 304.
Yes.
So my own 304. The person 301
that
they available.
That your name again.
301 they available. The CO 301 they available. 302 they available. 303 they available. 304 no day. 305 day. And the thing they my front I look am. I got videos of it. They my father looking like this. They don't give my PVC.
Okay, I think one of these even maybe very soon.
And I'm not the first to complain. Some big artists will be say for my tribe people. Yesterday I was with them. They complain say, and them they be solid people. They talk say they don't get PVC. I say, but now they say they don't get.
Well, aside from saying you don't get PVC, you be man of influence. You know, you say okay, even if you don't get PVC, you can influence people.
And my only influence, I say influence. Vote for any person who want me your picking be like.
Nevertheless, I beg, what do you get for your people right now, especially maybe towards the voting and or just normal white money, generally speaking in general for the white money gang?
The truth is that everything what I don't do now, I always put God first. Now God be the author and finisher of my faith. In terms of Nigeria and our election, like I just said earlier on, any person who want me a picking be like. Vote for them. That's number one. Number two, anything you say they do for this life, remember, say the greatest commandment be say love your neighbor as yourself. Treat every woman be equal. You understand? When you marry, nobody knows tomorrow. You understand? Person will go up, you come down. Person come down, you go up. So it depends on the level where they're always good with your human beings, and may God always guide your path. And may Holy Spirit they inspire you every time. What time you understand that?
All right, I beg for the loss. Will they tell you say yes? So in about 2 minutes, with the Boston enter inside. What do they call area? Me for now. More you see white money. The Jada, the sweaters. Independent.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.